Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your EDF account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar over here, type in edfenergy.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for EDF login on Google like this, hit enter, and on the first page you will see the edfenergy.com. Click over here, and over here it's the same thing. Now to log into your EDF account from your home page, you need to click over here, which is at the top right corner. You can see the my account. Click over here, and after you have landed on the login to my account page, you need to type in your email address over here, and after that you will be taken to a page where you need to enter your password, and after that click on login again to enter into your account. And then guys, this is how you log into your EDF account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.